Good day, sir. Our group is Group 11 and our title is IoT Living Environment System. My name is Lola, TP number 070580. So for my subsystem, I'm doing environmental control and energy management system.
Hi sir, my name is Chu King Wong. My TP number is TP070594. So for my subsystem, I'm doing a smart medicine cabinet system.
Hi sir, I'm Ong and my TP number is TP071132 and my subsystem is Entrance and Security System.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ong TP080931. So I am in charge of smart medical weather.
Sir, my name is Lola, TP070580. So for my subsystem, I'm doing an environmental control and energy management system. So first of all, I will have few conditions. Where first the condition is the energy saving condition, where all the actuators will be turned off when the sensors are in optimal conditions. So for the first mode will be the normal condition. So when the PIR sensor sends something, which is the occupancy of the elderly, in normal modes, where the fan will be in low rotating speeds, and also the window will be open halfly for ventilation purpose. So during this normal mode, if the light intensity in the room is quite dark, where I will simulate it by covering the LDR sensor. So a room light which indicates by a yellow LED will be light up to provide sufficient lighting for elderly. So the next mode will be in the gas mode. So for the gas mode, I will be using an incense stick to simulate the internal gas danger condition. So first of all, I will put it in near the gas sensor. So when the gas value exceeds a threshold, for now it will be 2002. So the ventilation fan will be activated as shown in the prototype, and also the windows will be fully open. So this is to ensure sufficient ventilation to ventilate out the danger gas. So the next condition will be in dust mode. So for dust mode, I will be using the same instance stick to simulate the dust condition. So when the dust value increases, the cooling fan will be turned on a little, which is at low speed, to simulate for the internal air ventilation. Also, the exhaust fan will be turned off to prevent that any haze to come into the internal house. Also, the windows are fully closed for enclosed air ventilation purpose. The next condition will be the comfort cooling mode. So the comfort cooling mode will be activated when temperature is above a threshold of 34 degrees. So when it is activated, it will be turning fully on the ventilation fan. So right now it's only half speed, so I will increase temperature for the environment. Yeah. So right now the environment is around 38 degrees and it's showing comfort cooling mode. So also the ventilation fan is running at full speed as shown in the prototype. It will be the fire emergency situation. So for this situation, the temperature must above a threshold of 50 degrees, and also the gas value should be also exclude a threshold of 3000. So I will be simulating the temperature above 50 degrees Celsius. So now both thresholds are reached, and also there will be a fire alert as shown in the LCD screen. So in this condition, the exhaust will be fully turned on, and also the window will be turned on as well for ventilation purpose. At the same time, there will be 3 LED will light up, which is the main room LED, emergency LED, which is represented by a red one, and also the pathway LED represented in the blue LED. So next one, I will be simulating a night condition. However, this night condition refers to a midnight, so where the elderly may be in the sleep condition. So first of all, due to time constraint, I will be simulating using blink. So when the night mode is activated, so the mode will be going to sleep support mode. So the sleep support mode, the fan will be activating in low, which provides sufficient air ventilation for the elderly during they are sleeping. And also the sleep support mode will assume that the elderly enter the rooms once, and the occupancy will be always stay high in order to activate the ventilation fan. So in order to simulate the elderly have left the room, I will be using blink as well. So when this is on, so the ventilation fan will be turned off, and it will show energy saving modes. So lastly will be the halfway lightning part. So first of all, when there is a motion detected during night time, and also the LDR is receives a very low light intensity, the pathway light will be light up to provide sufficient visibility for the elderly to moving in the night. So that's all for my part.
Hello, hi sir, my name is Chuking Wang, my TP number is TP070554. So I'm doing a smart medicine cabinet system. So the code here is for the preset medicine collection time for the patient, and then now it's set around 4:38, 4:30 and 4:43 for the testing. And then here is the waiting time for patient to take the medicine, and then for testing is around 30 seconds. So when the medicine time reach, the blue LED will light up, and then the buzzer will function, and then the OLED will ask the patient to place their fingerprints. Yeah, when the medicine time reach, the blue LED light up and the buzzer functions, and here show medicine time, medicine active for morning medicines. So the OLED asks, please place the fingerprint. So for this system, there are two patients will register, which Wang and Alex. So I try with not the account one. So I place this one, will show access denied, wrong finger. So I place Wang now. Access granted, Wang. And then medicine painkiller, and then place finger to unlock. So the first fingerprint is to verify the patients, and then second is to unlock the servo motor. Yeah, so for this part, there are the limit switch here and also the lock seal inside. So the condition is when the medicine is collected and also the lock seal be triggered, only the servo motor will turn back to close the door. So now I try to trigger the limit switch without taking the medicines, and then here will show medicine still, please take it. And then now I try to collect the medicine and then trigger the limit switch again. Yeah. Medicine remove, lock in 3 seconds, the servo motor will lock the door. So the LED will jump, show that morning session already be taken, and then here will show that Alex morning medicine is a mixed sections. And now it's waiting for the second medicine sessions. So the same thing happened when the medicine time reach, the LED and also buzzer will function, and then place the fingerprint again. At that time, I use the Alex, which is the second patient. So Alex, verified, okay, access granted, Alex, and then BP tablet, Alex, and then after that, please wave fingerprint for unlock the door. Checking wave, please wait, open the door. Door open, take the medicine, take the medicine, and then trigger the limit switch. Door close, medicine remove, lock in 3 seconds, close again. So medicine complete. So here, so for this indicated that the Alex doesn't take the morning session medicine, but take the afternoon medicines by using the ESP32 memory preference. So lastly, the reset button here is for the nurse to refill all the medicine by once a day, and then after the refill process done, click the button, and then all the section will be shown ready by the green LED. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi sir, I'm Ong Wei Shen, TP number 071132, and I'm doing entrance and security system. So this is my system, the system is worked around the entrance, which is this door. So there are 3 methods to open the door. So the first one is by using the IFID. So there are 2 cards here, which is the first one is being saved inside the system, and the second one is not saved inside the system. So when I use the card which is not saved, the red light LED will show and the card denied is shown in the LCD. Now I'm using the one which is saved inside the system. So if you realize the door is still not open, because there are another requirement which you have to pass through the motion sensor, only the door will open. So now I will show it. And the door is open. And now another method is by using the exit button. So there are exit button over here, which is inside the door. So when I press the exit button and pass through the motion detector, the door will unlock too. So this is the second method. And now the third method is by using the QR code. So I have used the ESP32 cam to detect the QR code. So now if you look over here, it shows the QR code scanner. So this shows the wrong QR code, scan the red LED and the LCD over here will show it down. And now I'm using the correct one. So for the QR scanner is for the outsider, basically for the outsider part. So after you scan the correct QR code, you have to use the sanitizer. And after that you go through the motion, only the door will open. And now I will show the last part, which is the alarm system. So the alarm system will only work when there's a wrong ID card scanned more than 5 times. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now the alarm system is activated. So we have to use another card which is saved inside the system to only stop the alarm system. And this is my part for the system.